Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayoshi and I am so excited to share Thailand haul with you. So मैं कुछ टाइम पहले Thailand गई थी and I shopped like crazy. I did not do a lot of shopping but it was really great and here I am to share it with you. So let's begin. Also, I am going to share a lot of bonus tips with you, so don't forget to watch this video till end, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. First, I will show you my night suits. I really like this cute, I've already worn it so I really like this cute kitty night suit and it's so comfy, so soft, and this was just for 100 baht. One more night suit and this is a bit shiny but this material is so lightweight, so nice that I just love it and I don't regret spending another 100 baht on this. मुझे शॉपिंग बहुत चीप लगी थाईलैंड में as compared to Dubai. I felt it was cheap but it depends what you're buying, what you're taking over there. Then I got this nice pant, straight pant. This was also for 100 baht, I guess. I don't really remember, but yeah, almost. I did not enjoy much of clothes shopping so I got this cute little top. Cute. This is really good. This fits me. Then I have this cord set with shorts. Prince style shorts, people say. So this is it. It's like a skirt, but it's like a shorts. And this also was not that expensive. It was cheap for sure. Then I have this one. This I really liked it because of the buttons. This black one, I really loved it. So cute it is. Can you see? Yeah. After the clothing section, let's move to skincare or cosmetics or both because I've just shopped that much. So mask. I don't know how many of you are really crazy about skin mask, face mask, eye mask. I am, and I've shopped like 60 to 70 face mask, and I made sure I'm not repeating the flavor they have or the products they had. And I have shopped so many that some of them are. So this is the Japanese one, Lulun, and it's from Japan, and it has 7 mask sheets, by the way. So I was really happy that I can finish it in 1 week. And then I have this is from Thailand itself, or yeah, it's made in Korea, not Thailand, sorry. This is made in Korea. This is also made in Korea. This is also made in Korea, see. So I have shopped like a lot. These are just some I'm showing you, like, okay. So I have taken all possible flavors they had, all the one in the store, and still I think I missed out 10-15 after buying so much. So yes, दुकान नहीं खोल रही हूँ, खुद के लिए लाई हूँ. So I'm really happy. I got I was not able to find eye mask in this store much, or maybe I did not look it properly. So I got ऐसे वाले eye mask थोड़े बहुत, and then I got baby bride के eye mask. So I bought 3 packets of these. Each packet has 5 pair of eye mask, and the packaging is really good. The packaging, you can see that it's like this. Then inside they have more. So yeah. And even after this, it's not like it's just coming out directly. You have this, and then I can just apply. So I've used it. It's really good. I finished 1 packet, so I'm happy. I'm making the video before finishing all the products. I'm sharing it with you. Then I got these treatment mask, and this is something I just read made in Korea and I bought it. Then this is another treatment mask, another eye mask, and then I have another mask. I have bought like so many masks. I can literally open a shop. Then I got this powder, I think air cover, it says air cover, and this is for 250 baht. I took it from airport, so I think, yeah, this is expensive, but it was from airport. Mask sheets I have bought from Butrium. So Butrium was really good for me. If you're planning to travel to Thailand, go to Butrium. I did not enjoy Boot and the other store that much. I did enjoy Butrium really well. And the mask sheets I have bought are of all type. I think इसमें कुछ 40 बात की हैं, कुछ 60, 70, buy one get one. And the good part I liked about Butrium was, जब मैं शॉप कर रही थी and at the end of my shopping there were 3-4 products which I just bought and I did not like read properly or I missed out one buy one get one. So जब मैं काउंटर पे बिलिंग कर रही थी, they gave me literally 3 to 4 products and they're like, ma'am, go get one more, it's buy one get one. So I was really happy with that type of behavior, and that's what motivates me to go back to Thailand and shop more. Next is room spray. So I don't know, in India this is not really common, but in Thailand they had room sprays are common in India, but not the pillow and bed sheet spray. It was very common in Thailand. I could see so many products related to it, and I did grab some of the spray. I will show you. This is roll on. Then I'm a scrub baby. Like, I love using a body scrub really a lot. Like, I use it like twice or thrice a week. So this is silk salt scrub I've bought, and it has a good flavor. It has a peach flavor, so I'm really happy to try. Let's find out how this will come out. Then I got this awakening bath, whitening bath, something. So I think it's like a soap. I can just rub it like directly. So this is for 65 baht. I have yet not used it, so let's hope I use it and I will share my reviews. Don't forget to subscribe so you can check my reviews, and when you go to Thailand you can buy. Next is this. These were buy one get one. So I got this vitamin B3 and vitamin E with grape and peach flavor, and these are from Kathy Dolls. So when I was searching on internet, these are really good brand if you're looking for Thailand based. This is really good. I would really suggest you to go. I'm just searching if it is actually Thailand or Korea. It is Thailand, and I cannot see how much I bought it for, but I'm sure it is under 100 baht buy one get one, so 670 80 ka kuch hoga. Then I have body butter, shea peach butter shower gel. So this shower cream, actually this says shower cream, so I've yet not used it. I'm gonna use it. I'm going to share my review with you. This was just one bottle. And yes, I did lose 2 liters of shower gel bottles on the Thailand airport because I forgot to keep them in my check-in bag, and I can share that story with you if you tell me in comments you want to know. Next is this body scrub spa salt, and this I did not buy from Butrium. This was a mall mein na normal stores the, and I picked it up from there. Then this is serum, clear nose serum. Just randomly picked it up. I don't know why, because my nose is really clear. See? I got this nail based eye cream. I've already opened one eye cream with me, so I'm yet to try this. I'm trying to finish one product so I can share my reviews, and all these products I can just finish before I make my trip back to Thailand next. Then I got this for you to skin foundation. I have actually used a lipstick from the same brand recently. I'm using the lipstick I've applied also, and it's amazing. It's so lightweight, you don't feel you've applied anything. So I'm looking forward to use these products as well, the cosmetic products I've just bought from For You too, because I didn't know much of the brands. That's sad. Then I have this the Mood body lotion. This was buy one get one, and this is from Korea. So these are the two bottles I have got, buy one get one. I'm gonna share all the reviews of these products with you, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on YouTube, so I can post a short video and share my reviews with you. Next is this face wash I have taken from For You Too. This was buy one get one, and this is Thailand product, and this is vegan. It says vegan, so I think it's going to be really good. Now, this is the face wash which I've used. It has a strong milk smell when you apply it on your face, but it's really good. It keeps your skin hydrated. It's really nice, easy going. I am not getting any pimple or anything. I've started using this and I like it, but what I don't like is a milk smell with this, so not going back to this for sure. Then I have this another room spray I've bought. I've bought a lot of useless things, I feel. I'm so excited seeing the products which I generally don't find elsewhere. I got this herbal foot scrub, and there are no pricing mentioned. Anyways, now I got this cute little bag. You can see this is from Charles & Keith, and I am a person who has like 90% of my bags are from Charles & Keith. Even in Dubai, I shop from Charles & Keith. So Dubai ke comparison mein, I felt this is really not so cheap, but it was almost same because this was for 3000 baht, and I bought it. It's really cute for your normal outing. It has stuff, and then I can keep stuff over here as well, and my phone fits pretty well because I have 12 Pro Max, so it fits really well. I did not like these straps because they doesn't go with the denim bag, but can't help, have to adjust. Then I have this Kiss. So I think this was also one-on-one. Yeah, this is also one-on-one, and it says perfume lotion. So this is lotion. I don't use this much lotion on my body, but I don't know why I picked up so many lotion of bottles. So this is one. I am hoping this is really good. Again, the reviews I will share, okay? Then I got this Silk Bubble Whipped Bubble soap. So it's a soap, but bubbly soap, I'm assuming, and it has nice chocolate mint. Can't wait to experience it. Really. Got this Max Lip. I think this is to hydrate your lips. Hydrate my lips, and I'm gonna just use it. Let you guys know I've yet not opened it. Packed it. Got these small hair mask. I'm not much of person who tries a lot of things on their hair because my hair are really light and thin, so I don't know what to do with them, but I try to keep them as safe as possible and use very little products on my hair. But this seemed really good, so I bought this hair mask, and I've bought more too, so let's hope this is good. This product is from Indonesia, I guess. This is not from Thailand, but I bought this in Beautrium for sure. Yeah, Beautrium. Another silky whipped bubble soap. This is aloe vera flavor. इसके पहले हमने chocolate और mint देखा था, and now this is there, so I bought these two. I think this was one-on-one. I really don't remember. एक के ऊपर एक free हो तो mostly होगा. Then I have another body scrub, Spa Salt. So earlier I had this different flavors. I don't know यार. It's not same, okay? This is rice milk. This is Leela Wadi. पता नहीं, कुछ तो है. Then I got this eye roll because I have dark circles. You can see my dark circles are really big, and I need to treat them. So I got this 24/7. Another eye mask pack. I've got so many masks from there. Like, I thought within 1 month I will finish them and I can go back, but I've yet not finished them. This also I bought from airport because this is 150 baht one pack. So I'm sure आपको थाईलैंड में बहुत सस्ते में मिलेंगे, but I got it from airport because I don't know, Beauty में मुझे नहीं दिखा यार ज़्यादा my masks. So when I was on the airport, I just went, I looked, and I found this, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna grab 2-3 packets, because if you actually see 150 baht for Dubai currency is somewhere 16-17 dirhams, so pretty affordable, really. I've bought this extra volume hair rise treatment. So these are customized soap. I think every one of us, whenever we are in Thailand, we need to grab these. It's handmade soaps, 100 baht ke 3 the. So I grabbed 3 of them. Next is this overnight mask. I've yet not used it. Overnight mask I've bought. Let's hope. And this says pink collagen, so I'm expecting my face will be pinky and I don't need to use blush after this. Another one is this Aura Butt. Oh, this looks like a butt soap, guys. I might need. So this is antiseptic dust mist. See, antiseptic dust mist. This is what I was talking about. Room freshener se bhi better hai. You just spray it on your bed sheet and pillow, and you need to use this. I have bought 2 of them. I'm using one from N07, and I feel it is nice, mild fragrance hai, and it's really good. Yeah, it's good. I have this golden face mask powder. I've yet not used it. I've not even opened the pack, guys. But let's see how this turns out to be. Next is this herbal toothpaste. बहुत जगह मिलता है, but I just picked it up. I don't know for what reason. Then this is the hair mask. Oh, sorry. This is the hair mask I have. Another one, hair repair. Got these cotton as well from there, because someone told me cotton, if you buy cotton from Thailand, they are more soft and more better. I picked this. So this was also buy one get one. So another packet I've already started opening, and I felt it is really better. I find it better. This is pedicure, another pedicure packet I got. So this is another perfume lotion. Kiss ka maine liya hai. I think I did check this online, or I don't remember. This is vanilla cotton, sweet vanilla cotton. So I'm assuming this is going to be very sweet smell. So hope for the best. Underarm care scrub. Yeah. So I think this is good. Yeah, you should have it. Whitening underarm scrub. I know if you regularly wax, your underarms do stay clean and they do stay sweat free and they're white, but I still just wanted to try this, so I got it. This was not one-on-one, it's just random when I picked it up. I got this lamp. I've yet not opened it and I've yet not used it. So this is the lamp I've bought from Thailand. Then did get this turmeric honey hydrating body scrub. I have got so much body scrub from there. Oh my god. Now I realize. Next is this Crystal Fresh. This is Fitkari, guys. It's nothing that natural deodorant नहीं है, ये फिटकरी है. हिंदी में फिटकरी बोलते हैं, and Crystal Stone in English. अंग्रेज बने हुए हैं सारे के सारे. Then I have got this vitamin booster, hair booster. So to see if it actually suits my hair or not, I've yet not started using, but I'm assuming it will really suit and keep my hair smooth and straight. So let's hope. Then I have got this brightening eye gel from Boots. I think I bought this from Boots store only. I did not buy this from Beautrium. I would actually prefer going to Beautrium over Boots for shopping. I love the Beautrium more than other places I went. Now this is the lip care lip pack. So let's hope this turns out to be good. My lips are a bit darky and I am a brown skin tone girl. This is Melinda. So this is Melinda glitter eyeshadow. I have yet not used it. I will use Get Ready With Me and then you can see how it looks like. Okay, this is the lipstick which I'm already applying. I've applied, and this is super long lasting, guys. I do remember one girl did, she did refer it to me, and she was just standing beside me, and she's like, "You need to buy this, girl. Why are you not buying?" And I just bought it. So if you are that girl who did recommend me this, like and comment below. I would really appreciate you for suggesting me this lipstick. It's really good, and it is from For You Too brand. I think these are the cosmetics I started buying, and then I just got into my skincare masks, and I just ended up there. This is a blush. It is also from For You Too, and this is really good blush matte. Then I got this Hello Stranger lipstick from For You Too, and I got this as well from For You Too. This is not buy one get one. This was not there, but I still bought it because it's really good quality, and it was really very lightweight. This is matte tint, I'm assuming. I have got so much of this. So many. Okay, next is this lipstick. It's also a lipstick I've bought. Really nice shade, and these are so lightweight. You apply, you don't feel like they're long lasting. They're lightweight. I just love it. I think I'm gonna switch my cosmetics to all the Asian brands now. Seriously. This is lip liner, so blending lip liner. Yeah, this is also from the same For You Too one. This is all I've bought from Thailand. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe. You know that you can get tax refund in Thailand. I did not see anyone telling me this. So there are some stores in Thailand which will give you tax return. They do mention it, like Charles and Keith, from where I got this purse. They did give me tax return because my product was for 3,000. So shopping you do in any of the stores should be above 2,000 baht, and only then they will give you tax return, which you can claim on the airport. But some of the shops still doesn't give you, so you need to ask them that if they will give you the tax return or not. If not, you can just shop for less. If yes, you can shop for more. So I got tax return, I think, from 2 or 3 shops, not much. Beautyum I did, because Beautyum, my bill was like amazingly amazing. I shopped like, it was good. So I got my tax return from Beautyum. I got my tax return from Charles and Keith. I got my tax return from Boots, I think. Boots I did shop 2,000 something, and they gave me. So yeah. So this is all, guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye.